Good day, viewers. I welcome you all to this mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are still answering questions coming from the topic algebra. So in this presentation, we are going to see how we can simplify algebraic expressions in this form. Okay. So we have our question here, simplify. So A, we have 20 x power 5 y power 3 divided by 4x power 4 y power 2. So this is a very simple question. So how can you simplify this question? So the first thing, we are going to rewrite our numerator using the multiplication. Okay, so we are going to write as 20 times. Now we all know that when the base is raised to the power of 5, it means that this base x has been multiplied by itself how many times? 5 times. So this means that we have x times x times x times x again times what? X. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we say times, we have y power 3, so it means the base y has been multiplied by itself 3 times. So we say times y times y times y. So I'm using this method so that those who are unable to understand, or those who face challenges, they are able to see how we do the division here. Okay, so here we know that we are going to divide by 4, so you can write a 4 here, times x power 4, we are doing the same, we multiply x by itself 4 times. So this will be x times x times x times x. Again times, the second one is y power 2, so this will be y times y. So from here, what you can do is you can start cancelling the common variables, in this case letters. So you can start with y, this y and this y. So when they are cancelling, it means that you are dividing y into y, 1, 1. Okay, again this one and this one. Okay, so we have cancelled these two y's. We come with x, this x, okay, and this x. Again, you can get this x and this x. Again, we have this x and this x. Okay, again this x and this x. So the x is down here, we have 4, so we have cancelled the 4 x's on top. Now look at what you are remaining with. So if you are not clear here, please try to rewrite. Okay, if you are not clear, so I have remained with a 20 times this x, so these are ones right here, times this y, so times a y. You can do this if you are not clear, and then you have 4 times, so 1, 1, 1, 1 will just give us a 4. So on the denominator I've just remained with a 4. So here we can do this, 4 here 1, 4 into 20, it's a 5. 5 times x times y, you are going to get 5xy. Then the denominator it's a 1, so even if you say 1 into 5xy, you get the same 5xy. So this is our answer. That means we have simplified this algebraic expression that we are given into this. But if you don't want to use this method, you can just simplify direct. To those who are comfortable with y squared into y power 3, if you are comfortable with that, it's fine. So let us look at the second question. Alright, so this is our question B right here. So here we are dividing, we have negative 36a power 3, then b power 4, we divide by 9a squared b power 5. So here we can do this. Remember what I said, if you have a power 3, it means the base a has been multiplied by itself 3 times. Or if you want, you can use the laws of indices, you divide this and this, meaning you subtract the powers. Okay, so here we have seen that 9 can go into 36. 9 here, it's a 1. Then 9 into 36 goes there many times? It's a 4. Then you can cancel. 8 power 2, it's a 1. Then a power 2 into a power 3. You are just going to remain with what? A. Okay? Then here, b power 4, b power 5. So it's this b power 4 to go into this b power 5. Okay? So here we will have a 1. Then here we'll just remain with what? A b. So what we are remaining with, negative 4, okay, times a. So just remain with negative 4a over 1 times 1 times b, you remain with a b. So this is our answer. Then, if you are not clear with this method, this is why I was saying you rewrite, you say negative 36 a power 3 b power 4, which is being divided by 9a squared, then b power 5. So you can do this, you can write this as, you can find their product. You say negative 36 times a times a times a. So a is raised to the power of 3, so we multiply a times a times a, then times b times b times b, again times b, because b is raised to the power of 4. Then from here we can divide. So we have 9 times a, again times a, again times b. This b is raised to the power of 5, so you multiply b by itself 5 times, okay? And you are going to have this. Right, so this is what you get, b times b times b times b times b. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from here, you can start cancelling, okay? Here, b here 1, b here 1. Again, b here 1, b here 1, b here 1, again b here 1. Again, b here 1, b into b 1. Okay, so we have cancelled the b's on top. Down here, we're just remaining with this b. Let's go to a here 1, a here 1. Again, a here 1 into this a, it's a 1. We have cancelled the 2 a's that are down here. We are remaining with a single a on top. 9 here 1, 9 into 36 goes there 4 times. So we are remaining with negative 4 times a times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So this will give us negative 4a. Okay, then over, this is 1 times 1 times 1 times b times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. You remain with what? A b. So this is our answer. So you can see that this answer and this answer, they are the same. Okay, so thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.